Hello, LMCN. This is Evil D. This is the introduction for my C++ lessons. I'm going to show you how to get started by opening up the C++ compiler, which in this case is going to be the IDE Visual Studio. Okay, once you get your program open, your Visual Studio, whether it's 2010 or 2008, let's go up here to New Project, click on that. I'm already started here on C Sharp. So you can see this is C Sharp. So I need to change to other languages here. I want C++. Let's click on that. Get it highlighted. Come down here. You want to browse for a directory. Let's find a spot where you want to start storing your projects. I'd recommend just creating an area on your documents folder somewhere. So I kind of done here. Just did a programming and did different languages for whatever I did. This keeps it organized. But just for this example, I guess let's create it right here. Alright, so example, name your project, and we'll just start out with a Win32 console application. Okay, once you've done that, then you just hit the OK button. You see up here, it'll say next. Hit the empty button, or then check the empty box. Hit finish. And you're set. Now you need to add your first C++ file. You gotta add new item. Right click on source files. Go to the C++ file, and then you want to name it. For your first file, you always want to name it main, or at least for these lessons you will. Okay, once you get that started, then you can start writing your bare bones, your skeleton for your code, which is always going to be something like this. You want to include your input-output stream, which is a header that is included in C++. Next thing you want to include is get in the habit of adding your namespace. So you want to say using namespace std. This will let you do your input and output through the user for the user input and output. Okay, and once you have that, you want to create our main function. So we'll start out with int, which is just the standard that C++ uses. Main int, and then just end it with the brackets. You don't use a semicolon. You want to keep it going by using these starting and ending brackets. And of course, to add into the bare bones, we want to have a return because it's of type int. So we'll get into that a little bit more as you watch more of these videos. We're going to return 0. That tells it that the program is ended. That's basically it. This is basically how you get set up. Once you have that, you're pretty much ready to go.